Now that you've signed up for Showit and logged in, it's time to install your new website template. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of adding your templates using a share key. Let's dive in. Once you've logged into Showit, you'll see your dashboard. So you want to navigate to the middle here and click Open Design App. To add your new template, start by clicking the button called Your Designs in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, click on Add Design to Library. This is where you'll enter the unique share key that was emailed to you after your purchase. Now locate the share key in your order confirmation email, copy and paste it into the field, and then click Add Design. Once added, your template will instantly appear in your design library. Now click on it and set it as your active website. And just like that, your template is installed. You'll see a preview of your website, and from here you can start customize it to match your brand. That's it. Super easy, right? In the next lesson, I'll show you how to customize your template, change the text, the images, and the colors, and truly make it your own. I'll see you there.